Rain doesn't just fall from the sky. It changes how your brain feels. Some people smile in sunlight, but feel alive in the rain. Have you ever noticed this? The moment it starts raining, the world feels quieter. Your thoughts slow down. And somehow, you feel calm. Even when you're a little sad, rain still feels comforting. Why does rain do this to us? Why do so many people love rainy weather? Psychology has a fascinating answer. Rain isn't just a weather condition. It creates a psychological environment. In this video, we'll explore why rain feels calming to the brain, why rain triggers memories and emotions, why sensitive and thoughtful people often love rain more, and what rain reveals about the human mind. This isn't about the weather. It's about how your brain responds to it. The sound of rain and the brain. Psychologically, rain produces a sound known as white noise. White noise reduces background mental chatter, calms an overstimulated brain, helps regulate focus and relaxation. That's why people sleep better during rain. Anxiety feels lower. Overthinking slows down. Rain doesn't silence the world. It silences the noise inside your head. Why rain triggers nostalgia? Rain often brings back memories. Psychology explains this through associative memory. Your brain links sounds, smells, weather with emotional experiences. Childhood rain, first love rain, lonely walks in the rain. When it rains again, your brain reopens those emotional files. That's why rain feels comforting, emotional, slightly sad, but beautiful. It's nostalgia mixed with safety. Rain makes us feel safe. Rain naturally slows the world down. Fewer people outside. Less noise. Fewer expectations. Psychologically, this creates a sense of permission to rest. Your brain feels, I don't need to perform right now. I don't need to compete. I can just exist. Rain creates a protective bubble. And inside that bubble, we feel safe. Why emotional people love rain more? Studies suggest that people who are emotionally sensitive, deep thinkers, introspective, often feel more connected to rainy weather. Why? Because rain matches their inner emotional rhythm. Rain doesn't demand happiness. It doesn't judge sadness. It simply exists. For emotional people, rain feels understood. Rain and brain chemistry. Rainy weather affects brain chemicals. Cooler temperatures, lower light levels, calm surroundings. These factors support the regulation of serotonin, a chemical linked to mood stability. That's why during rain, music feels deeper, tea tastes better, thoughts become slower and more meaningful. Rain doesn't excite the brain. It balances it. Why rain boosts creativity? Many writers, artists, and thinkers say they feel more creative during rain. Psychology explains this simply. Fewer distractions, less pressure, more inward focus. Rain shifts attention from the outside world to the inner one. Creativity doesn't come from noise. It comes from quiet clarity. Is it normal to love rain? Absolutely. Loving rain often means you value calm over chaos. You're comfortable with introspection. You don't fear emotional depth. It's not sadness. It's emotional intelligence. Some people shine in sunlight. Others feel alive in rain. Both are normal. So the next time it rains, and you feel peaceful for no clear reason, don't question it. Rain isn't making you sad. It's helping you reconnect with yourself. Closing line. Rain doesn't fall to darken the world. It falls to quiet it.